Here I'm going through 500 profiles to fill just 5 positions. It's never ending cycle of checking qualification, experience, skills and whatnot. Look, half of the profiles doesn't even meet our basic criteria. But this process will take so much of time, energy and there is no guarantee that the candidates will right fit for the role. There should be a better way to handle this.
Hiring should not be this much hard. Are you facing the same struggle? At Aja Consulting Services, we are providing skilled IT professionals who are ready to contribute immediately. Whether you need junior talents with the 6 months to 24 months of experience or mid to senior level professionals, we deliver the right people for the right role. Save time, reduce hiring risk, and keep your projects moving. Team up with Aja today.